Hi guys, it's Gwen, and I'm so happy that you're here. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, because we would love to have you. Now, this is the final of the Floral demo. So be sure and watch to see if it worked out or not. And if it didn't work out, what did I do? So next week we start the abstract. The abstract of all the toilet paper that my puppy tore up and put on the floor. Should be fun, but I'll show you how I do it. And so I'm looking forward to that. I'm looking forward to your comments. Please put the comments down, because I love to read them. And I love to answer them as well. So anyway, talk to you later. Have a great day. I love you. I think I've said that several times, haven't I? That must mean that I really love you. Talk to you later. Bye. Well, as you know, this is where we started. We started on a canvas that was already painted on, had been smeared, and so forth. So then we painted. And this is where we were painting on last time, and then now it's going a different direction. It's gotten brighter. It's gotten stronger. It's good, yet it's not good. I vacillate back and forth. And here I am putting on and adding different things to it, different colors, a highlight, and so forth. And then guess what? I just decide, of course, to change it. And I start adding more greens, more lights, and so forth. And then, of course, when you do that, then you go back to the same. You say, oh, it needs darks. Oh, no, I don't like that. And it's all back and forth. You ask questions and you say, is this what it needs? And so then I scraped it off. I scraped it all off and said, forget this. I don't like this at all. And I've got to now get going on something that's good. So what do? I take it to a whole different level. Now, I know this may be confusing to you guys. It was confusing to me too, so not to worry. But the thing is I'm adding blue, I'm adding green, I'm adding different colors in here. I'm trying to get it to blend in. And I think one of the things is that I'm using the same brush. I think I need to get a bigger brush. But now, hang on just a second. I told you I would teach you drips, and this is what I'm going to teach you. The drips are, you load up your brush, you put lots of pigment on it, you put some Gamsol in the brush, and you push against the canvas. Now your colors may come and your drips may come, and they may be in the wrong place. You merely move them into the background. You can remove the drips totally. Sometimes you have too many drips. There may be too many here. I may remove it. But that's how I do drips. And I think you will enjoy that. And then what I did here is that I have green in the main flower. And so I've got that green in it. It's a sharp it's a sharp brush. So I soften that. I soften the blue in the right-hand corner. Now, is this a good painting? No, and I know it's not a great painting. It's been fun to paint, but I bet there were times that you said, I wish she had stopped there. But I thought what I would do is to show you a painting that really did work out. It's a different size. It's a 36 by 36. And what I'm going to show you are just close-ups of the painting. And the first close-up is the big flower itself. This flower is just stunning in the fact that it is so big. And I love it. I love the flower. I love the depth. And you got to realize I started with a white canvas. That makes a difference if you want the glow. And I have different values in here. The values are better. They're much better in this painting. And I was able to get that because of the white canvas. Now this next is this below the center, below that big flower. Look at the values here. Look how sensual everything is. It's just, the values are great and it's alive. I love this. I think it's great. This is in the upper left-hand corner, and the dark, the light, the background, how it all works. It's great. I love it. And this next one is in the lower left-hand corner. It is so, I love it for the simple reason that it shows the warm, it shows the cool, it shows the values, it gives a different background. And so now I'm going to show you the actual painting, and the finished product is a 36 by 36. And so you can kind of go back and see these close-ups. But anyway, I love doing this for you. If you've got questions, let me know. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.